Hi, welcome back to my channel. This is Jo Brand, Natural Law. Okay, so ingon sila, what is natural to you may not be natural to other people. Nga naman, it's because kung mingon tag natural, we are talking about our intuition, our gut feel. Feeling lang. Right? So meaning, lahi mong gutag feeling, lahi pud tag instinct. Nganong ning buhat ka ana, it's because feeling nimo kailangan nimong buhaton. That's why ang tao kuno na ako no tay gitawag, the way we understand the right and wrong, na tay gitawag nga natural law. Okay, so ato na siyang hisgutan diriha the idea of natural law. And according to the natural law, nga ang tao kuno, we do something, we act something based on our reason. So natay rason nga nuning lihok ta. That is our instinctual. Right? So for example, karon ning lihok ko, I need to do this because my mind tells me nga kinahanglan ako mo-proceed sa lesson 3 for my students. Okay, so meaning I am here because niingon man ako ang hunahuna that I need to do something. Otherwise, if wala siya ga-dictate, if I am not dictated by my own reason, dili ko maging ani. Okay, this is part of my natural law. Okay, so we will talk about this person, Thomas Aquinas. Okay, so according to Thomas Aquinas, ang tao kuno, we know what is right or wrong when we talk about God. Right? Kay mas kuan man jud ihan kuan ang niya yung philosophy is he talks about the existence of God. And according to him, kita kuno as human being, we acknowledge nga ang ato ang pangunahuna is very limited. Ang ato ang pangunahuna sa sakto ug sa dili, we are very limited. Okay, so he speaks of God, si Thomas Aquinas, and second is ingon siya, ang tao kuno is naa jud tay gitawag the pursuit of happiness. Ang tao kuno is naa jud tay gusto buhaton para malipay ta. So dili kuno ta mo buhat sa butang nga dili ta malipay. Okay, so that's the idea of Thomas Aquinas when understanding about our natural law. We need God because as human being, we have very limited idea on what is really right or wrong. Second, naatay pursuit of happiness. So makaingon ta nga sakto ang atong gibuhat, it's because of our pursuit of happiness. Makaingon ta nga sayop na siya, it's because of our pursuit of happiness. Okay? So di ta ganahan og samok. Because our main goal, according to Thomas Aquinas, is to pursue our own happiness. And our human life is very dynamic. Mingon tag dynamic, lahi-lahi. Very fluctuating, dili stagnant. Ang kinabuhi kuno sa tao, according sa Thomas Aquinas, is not static. Di siya permanent. It will rise and fall. Right? Life is unpredictable. That's the correct term. And the third idea of Thomas Aquinas is he focuses on Jesus as our Savior. Okay, niingon siya, we need God. We need the presence of God. Otherwise, kung wala ang presence sa Ginoo, maglisod ta sa person. Right? Again, the idea of Thomas Aquinas, he speaks of God and ingon siya as a human being, we have very limited understanding. We have very limited understanding of what is really right or wrong for us. Second, our life is very dynamic. It keeps on changing. It is not static. It is not permanent. It will rise and fall. The third one is he focuses on Jesus as our Savior. That we need the presence of God to know what is really right or wrong. To understand our human life. So we need to understand our human life in striving toward God. Dapat kuno naningkamot ta nga makasabot sa atong kaugalingon, no? Dapat kuno mutay up tas Ginoo. Right, para makasabot ta kung unsay sakto or dili. To know our pursuit of happiness and to know our passion in relation to a good life. Right? So dapat kasabot ka unsay makapalipay nimo at the same time makasabot sad ka ug unsay butang makapalipay nimo para manindot imong kinabuhi. So that's the idea of Thomas Aquinas. take note nga naatay mga gilihok sa atong kinabuhi no nga usahay maglibog ta kung sakto ba na siya o dili sakto para nato. Right? Pero kung nindot kag pagsabot, kung nindot kag moral understanding, imong moral values, makaingon ka, you can convince yourself that you are choosing the right one. Ang problema if naglibog imuhang pagsabot, imong moral values, possibly you will lead to the wrong one. Iman ningon si Thomas Aquinas, our life is very dynamic. Our life is very unpredictable. Right? So, mala siya nga, usahay ko no, isip kita, dapat kasabot ka, kung unsay butang maayo para nimo, o butang dili maayo para nimo. Pero dili lang kuno ta puro sa tungod lang kay makahatag nimo kalipay, imo lang pong buhaton. Dapat kuno, although makahatag siya kalipay, pero dapat po daw, maghuna-huna po ta, kung sakto ba na siya nga kalipay. As the idea of Thomas Aquinas, kay dili kuno tanang kalipay, makahatag og kaayo sa tua. Na ako no'y ubang kalipay, nga makadaot para sa tua. Nga instead nga matarong ka, usahay, malahi pa ka. Right? So, mana siya nga, lisod jud kaayo sabton ang kinabuhi sa tao. Right? So, kung ganahan kang makasabot jud ka perfectly, nga mingon ka mauna jud niya kung pagsabot ha. No, ingon sa Thomas Aquinas, dili ingana ka sayon. We need God, we need the presence of God to know what is right or wrong. Pero naingon siya, dili kuno ta angay mag-uol, no? Kay naamo kuno tay konsensya. We have conscience. Tungod kay natay konsensya, diha ta makasabot kung sakto ba na siya o dili sakto para nimo. It's because of your conscience, because your conscience tells you, uy, dili mayo imong gibuhat. You are choosing the wrong one. Or you are doing the right thing. Right? Because we have, as human being, we have our own conscience. And ang kaniatong konsensya, man na siya usahay mo guide sa to ano, kung sakto ba ang imong gi-decide for yourself or dili sakto ang imong gibuhat for yourself. Usahay libog jud siya, especially if you are nag-try pa ka, you are just exploring yourself and also the right decision for you. Okay? So I think it's normal nga usahay maglibog ka. So take note that according to Thomas Aquinas, he tells us that we have the voice of conscience. We have the voice of conscience. And kana karong the voice of conscience, man na siya mutudlo sa to how to maintain a good life, a good virtue. It's because without conscience, unsa na lang kahataan ni. Pataka na lang tag-decide, no? Pataka na lang siguro tag-istorya without getting into the situation. Pataka na lang tag-judge sa usa ka tawo without understanding kung unsa jud sakto nilang na feel or sa ilang sitwasyon karon. So take note, we need basis for our conscience to be properly informed. So dapat na atay basihan. So when judging right over wrong, we need basis. We need basis for our conscience to be properly informed. Kanang kasabot ka ba? Para dili ka makonsensya sa imong gibuhat o imong istorya, dapat kasabot ka before ka mo istoryaan na. Okay? We need to have a clearer guidepost. Dapat na kay klaro nga sumbanan, okay? Na klaro nga guidepost kung unsa jud imong saktong desisyon sa kani nga sitwasyon. Because normally as tao usahay mo decide jud ta no, depende sa sitwasyon. So laylahi atong desisyon kung laylahi na pud ang sitwasyon that we are into. So ingana kuno ta mo decide as a human being. So therefore, makaingon ta, when understanding ethics, we need to have a clearer guide in knowing what is right or wrong. Because this is part of our natural law. Di ta pwede nga mo diretso lang tag-atake sa usa ka tawo or kasaba sa usa ka tawo without understanding or fully grasp the situation. Right? Because as part of our natural law, ningon siya that we are directed by reason. We do something, we act something because of our reason. So kung ningliho ka, you do something without understanding your reason, nganong ningbuhat ka, aw lisod na. Kinahanglan pa na nimo sabto ng idea of ethics because ang ethics tells you that you need to have a good reason nganong ningbuhat ka ana because that's part of your natural law. We need to have a grounded or something stable nga bisan pag unsay nahitabo or bisan pag unsa nga sitwasyon mahitabo sa atong kinabuhi naatay firm nga decision para atong mabuhat ang sakto nga angayan o saktong buhaton. Talk about our human nature by using this idea. The first is the Neoplatonic good. So if you are familiar with this, it's better. So let me give you a quick siya that we understand that there is God. Okay? That He cares for us, that He loves us, and then everything ay mong nakita there is kalibutan is created by God. Okay, so, and we believe that we need, from the word itself, Neoplatonic, so Plato. So the vision of Plato is niingon siya that we need to live an ideal society. Na dapat kuno ang tao, dapat nindot ang iyahang society. Walay samok, nindot. We need to live in harmony with society. Because everything ay mong nakita, it's created by God. And because gi-create nas Ginoo, so dapat we need to live in harmony with our society, the ideal society. So unsaon man nato? How can we live in harmony with our society according to Neoplatonic good? Dapat we need to have a strong guidepost. We need to have a standard to be moral. Right? Take note when you talk about morals, no? I have my own moral. You also have your own moral. So, lahi ang tao. So, according to Neoplatonic God, we need to have basis of our moral standards. That's why, nagtuo ka nga sakto ni siya, pero sa uban, nagtuo sila nga sayop na siya. Ganong lahi mata. It's because you have different standards or moral standards. So, you cannot blame them. Ganong nga na ilang pagsabot. And you cannot blame me. Yan ang po na akong pagsabot. Right? So, why should I bother trying to be good? And why cannot good be just whatever I say it is? According to Plato, nga nung kinahanglan man ko magbinuotan. Second, nga nung kinahanglan man ko mubuhat o mga butang nga maayo. Right? Manang usahay, no? Mag-question po ka, no? Anong mo comply man ko? Nga nung kinahanglan man ako buhat? Nga nung muskwila man ko? Is this good for me? So naayo bang estudyante mo eskwela, they choose nga mo eskwela, napiwang estudyante di na mo eskwela. So can you blame them? No, because that is their own moral standards. Right? Sa imuha, sayop ang di mo eskwela. Sa ilaha, sakto ang di mo eskwela. So that's why we need to have a stable moral standards para kasabot ka kung sakto o dili. I have my own perception sa pag-eskwela o dili mo eskwela. You also have your own perception sa pag-eskwela o dili sa pag-eskwela. Okay? So, that's why kinahanglan jud makasabot what is really good for us or not good for us. Yes, makaingon ta, makapalipay. Akong tan-awon ha, naapoy, kung di ka mo eskwela, murag malipay sa God, the pursuit of happiness. Why? Why hustle? Why samok? Why kapoy? Check. Pero later on, you will realize, sayangaw eh. Right? And then your conscience comes in. Bingon mo konsensya, tanawa. Kaning eskwela, graduate na sila, ikaw nahibilin pa. So that's the time you feel your conscience, the voice of conscience. Katong uban nga ning dawat, ning embrace sa samok, hasol ug kapoy, nag-graduate sila. At first, gikapoy man sila, but later on, ingon sila, may radyong ning eskwela ko. Right? So, manangingon sila ang pagbasol na asa ulihi. Okay, so next idea, para makasabuta kung unsa jud sakto or dili sakto. Is we will be using the idea of Aristotelian being and becoming. Okay, so according to Aristotle, from the word itself, na siya four concept in understanding any particular being, kita iyatang gisabot nganong ing anita. Ako gisabot ko ni Aristotle. Yung si Aristotle kanis jubren, ning ani nas jubren. Okay, number one, the first concept of Aristotelian being and becoming is to recognize that any being we can see around us is possessed by materiality or physical stuff. Again, ang tao kuno, tanang tao nga imong makita diri sa kalibutan na adyo pagiging materialistic. Or we have our physical stuff. Right? Ganahan mi ani, ganahan mi mubuhat ani. It's because that's part of being human. Kunya sa ay maging ani ko. Sa po nga maging ana mo. So according to Aristotelian being and becoming, that we have our physical stuff. Okay, so tanan nimong makita nga tao, ako imong makita, sila imong makita na siya mga shape. Naami klase-klase nga purma. Okay, kay naman mi klase-klase nga purma, manang usahay ang among batasan lahi sa usa ka tawo, lahi sa usa ka tawo. So, nagdepende na kung unsa pud mi nga klase nga purma isip usa ka tawo. Kay pero kani among purma, the efficient cost. Right? So naapod mi goal oy sa among kinabuhi bisan ning ani among purma. Dili lang pud mi nga wa jud mi klaro. So ayaw pud mi i-judge ha according to Aristotelian being and becoming. Despite sa among material self, ang among physical stuff that we have our efficient cost. We have our goal. We have our end goal. Okay, so manangingon siya, for us to understand what is right or wrong, tanawa sa imong physical stuff para makasabot ka ug unsa jud ka as a person. Right? Kay bisag unsa atong porma, sag unsa imong gusto na adjud kay efficient ka. So you have your end goal na kay pangandoy. Okay? So di ta ngay mag-goal despite lahi-lahi tag porma. Okay, so next is let's talk about the essence and varieties of law. So when you talk about essence, what comes into your mind? Importance? Yes. So kung mayroon tag-essence is we are talking about as humans, we are rational being. We have our free will. So we have the freedom to choose what is right or wrong for us. We act based on our capacity for reason. Mulihok daw ta based sa atong pagsabot. Right? And ang atong paglihok nakadepende na siya kung unsa po lang atong gustong makabot sa atong kinabuhi. Right? For example, ako, ganahan ko na ako makabot din ako siya, dapat maing ani ko, dapat man akong gusto. That's why ninglihok ko. Because na ako'y desire. Na ako'y gustong i-pursue, di ba? Ingon si The Pursuit of Happiness. Right? Ingon si Thomas Aquinas. The Pursuit of Happiness. Okay, so, but take note ha, dili lang magbinantay pud ta sa atong happiness nga giingon because there are things kuno dili doesn't mean nga nindot siya makahatag siya kalipay angayan na para nato. Naay uban nga makahatag lagi kalipay yes but usahay makadaot para nato. So dapat daw it is important for reason to always be part of the process. Dapat daw before ka mulihok, dapat imo sang sabton. You need to understand your reason. If that is a good reason for you. Dapat dili daw nato kalimtan ang paghuna-huna, ang pag-reason out sa mga butang nga makapalipay nato. So before you do something, huna-huna asa if that is a good reason or a good action nga mabuhat nimo para sa imuha. Okay, so dili tanan, take note, dili tanan nga makapalipay sa tua, makahatag na siya kalipay para sa ato. Okay? Dili tanan nga nindot para nato, makahatag ko siya nindot tinuod para nato. That's why when you talk about understanding ethics, it's very difficult because you need to embrace a lot of factors, a lot of things before you can say, yes, it is good for me. And sometimes we get so confused about things that gives us happiness. That's why we need we need to focus on Jesus or the guidance of God para makasabot ta unsay sakto or dili sakto. Okay, so but the essence of being human according to Thomas Aquinas is we will not focus on ourselves alone according to him para kuno sakto ang atong mabuhat o dili sakto. Let's focus on the things that is good for us. Is dapat daw you should focus on yourself at the same time you should also focus with other people. Dili kuno ta mo focus kaayo sa ato alang kaugalingon, no? Let's try to think also the welfare of other people. Nga dili lang kuno ta mulihok lang para sa tua, mulihok po daw ta para sa ubang tao, para sa atua o para sa ubang tao. So that's the idea of Thomas Aquinas. Para kuno malipay ka, the pursuit of happiness. Because according to him, we are not isolated beings. According to him, dili ta nag-inusara. We are living in a society. Right? We are living sa 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 kalibutan nga naay mga tao. So therefore, kay na may mga tao, dapat we need to live in harmony with them. And we need to consider the feelings of other people. Okay, unsa po yung maayo para nila o dili maayo para nila. Okay, so we need to consider the common good. So, sa pasabutan ng common good, for example, ako, before ko mulihok, ako sa pangutaran ako since I am married, akong husband. Katundaga pa ko, before ko mulihok or mo decide, I need to consult my parents. Kaya posible na ako'y panghuna-huna, nga tanaw na ako sakto, na ay rason, pero ang unang pagstorya na ako sa akong ginikanan, posible, ang ilang una sayop, pero naapoy rason. That's why we need to live in harmony with society. Okay? We need to consider not our own good, dapat po daw the common good of other people. Okay? So, that's why we need to measure. Dapat ato daw sabton ang atong giliho. Kung sakto pa ba na siya or dili na. We need to know our limits. Right? We need to understand, dili ra ka kutob. Dili mayo imong gibuhat. You need to stop there. Murag nadaot na ka, nadaot na ka. Try to go the right way. Dapat mubiya sa kaana, kay di na maayo. Okay, so that's why we need to know our limits para makasabot ka if you are pursuing happiness or you are not pursuing your own happiness. Ingon sila, you are happy now, but what akaibaw later on, the voice of conscience comes in. Okay, so daghan kayo mga nindot nga panghuna-huna ang gi-share ni Thomas Aquinas, ni Plato, ni Aristotle. When you talk about understanding what is really right or wrong for us. But kung imong tan-awon tanan nilang istorya, ang ila yung gihangyo is dapat atong dawaton that our human understanding is very limited. That's why we need the help of God for guidance, for enlightenment, for choosing the right ones atong kinabuhi. That's the essence of law. Okay? So the second is we will talk about the varieties of law. We all know that God is the creator of all human beings, right? And God is the source of our strength. So that's why kita, isip usa ka tawo, we need to assert the wisdom of God. Right? Kasi actually, kung imong tanaw, no, daghan kaayo jud various kayo ang mga balaod or ang ato ang gusto, it's very dynamic. Right? Naay tay gusto nga di na to maabot, no? But if you ask help from God, usahay mo sayo na lang siya, you can decide what is really right or wrong for us. Or we can accept things as it is, kay you have a good wisdom comes from the Lord. Okay, so we accept that we are very limited. There are things that we cannot control. There are things that is beyond our human intelligence. Life is unpredictable, right? But if you seek God, He is our stable strength. Mutabang siya, mu-enlighten our minds. That's why when you talk about the varieties of laws, we will be talking also the eternal law. We are part of the eternal law because we participate in a special way. Right? So naatay klase-klase nga pagtuo, naatay gusto. Okay, pero kung imong tan-awon, we participate in a very special way when it comes in understanding our own values. Okay, so that's why a lot of people would tell us nga ang atong human intelligence is very limited. Then ang usahay maglibog na ta sa kinabuhi, no? It's very dynamic, yes. Life is unpredictable. It's not static, it's not permanent. It will rise and fall, but as part of being human, we need to accept the divine wisdom that comes from the Lord. Okay? Human beings' participation is different. So, lailahi ta. We participate in a very special way, especially when it comes to our religion. Lailahi ta. But we believe in one God. But as part of being a rational being, we know how to understand our own reason. Nganong ning buhat man ka ana because you have your own reason. Nganong wa ka ning buhat ani because that is same thing, you have your own reason. Okay, so that's why makaingon ta that as part of being human, we have our natural inclination. So kung mingon tag natural inclination is natay gusto. Natay gustong mabuhat sa atong kinabuhi. And Aquinas tells us nga as part of being human, naatay inclination to preserve our being, nga ganahan ta mabuhi. Right? So, ingon sa Aquinas, ang tao kuno, manang usahay mulihok ta because we need to preserve our being. Kita ganahan masayang atong kinabuhi. That's why we do something. Eskwela ta, naningkamo ta, grabing luha aning pag-eskwela sa online, kay di lalim, but we do it because of our preservation of our life. We need to preserve life. Dili nato sayangan ang kinabuhi because you cannot buy it anywhere. It's a gift. Okay, so that's the idea of Thomas Aquinas. And as part of being human kuno, ang tao kuno, we have the desire to do sexual intercourse and the case of one's offspring. Kada bang ganahan ta magminyo, create a family. So that is our natural inclination. That's why kung mag-eskwela ta, mag-graduate ta, na natay trabaho, we get married, uyab-uyab ta, ay uyab-uyab, get married, right? So, and then have a family. That is our natural inclination. Pero, managiingon ni Aldab sa tamang panahon. You just have to wait and be patient. Love waits, right? The third reason, according to Thomas Aquinas, is human as we are inclined to do good according to the nature of our reason. So, ang tao kuno is manikamo jud ta nga magbuhat tag maayo. That is our natural inclination. Usahay lang makabuhat tag di maayo wa ta kay bawo sa inyong reason, but base na pressure lang sa sitwasyon, no. Pero as human, we are good by nature. Naayo sa ka psychologist ingon siya, human is good by nature. Dili ta salbahis, dili ta maldito. Posible na nainganalay mong behavior, posible na impluwensyahan lang ka sa atong environment karon or na pressure lang ka sa environment karon. But as human being, we are inclined to do good according to the nature of our reason. Okay, thank you so much for listening. I hope that you are learning in this video, and don't forget to subscribe if you want to get to know more about this one. So this is our lesson 3. I'll see you again for our lesson 4 discussion. Thank you so much. Hope you like this video. Thank you. God bless.